Welcome back to the Get a Brew channel. So I'm joined by Wim. Brewferm is a brand that Brouwerland have developed for in-house products. So one of the big selections that they have are the extract beer kits. Tell us a little bit about the range.
Well, this is actually one of the oldest product ranges that we have.
Yeah.
I think we probably have it for almost as long as the company exists, so about 50 years.
Yeah.
It was always one of the best running products because it was 30 years ago the easiest way to start making a beer, and it still is. But now focus is with customers maybe more on experience. And then there are other products for this, but this still remains the easiest way to make a beer at home with a very high percentage of success. I always say 99% chance of success with this because it's an easy product. But the result you get is a good beer.
Yeah.
And typically what distinguishes us from other brands a bit is a lot of the kits are for Belgian beer styles, and they could be a bit higher in ABV than typically the English styles that are in the rest of the kits.
Yeah.
So that also a bit means that the volume you make with each can be a bit different.
Okay.
For stronger beers, it's usually a bit less liters you make with the same extract, so that you still have a beer with a good taste and a quality beer, not something very much diluted.
Yeah. We stocked these when we first started 10 years ago, and obviously the branding has changed, as have the yeast strains. They were upgraded a few years ago.
Yeah, it used to be the same yeast for all the kits.
Yeah.
Well working, general, go-to yeast for everything. But of course, the styles shine more if you use a dedicated yeast. So now every kit has its own yeast, which is more adapted to the style. And it's as always, it's under the lid together with the very detailed instructions.
Yeah. So if you are a complete beginner to homebrewing, this is perfect.
Yeah.
It takes you less than an hour to do the whole process.
And you don't need a lot of equipment.
Yeah.
Just a good fermenter and at the end a capper. Good cleaning, sanitation is the most important, and following the instructions.
Yeah. So if you buy one of these kits, you do need an enhancer. So that's usually sugar or spray malt.
Yeah.
Yeah. And have you a preference for the way people should brew these, or do you?
It's a bit according to your own taste.
Yeah.
I've usually just used the sugar, but if you want more body, you can use the enhancer, or you can go half-half, or
So it's dealer's choice, really.
Yeah.
So,
Really.
What are the standout styles for you? What are the most popular?
The triple is one of the popular choices.
Yeah.
The strong blonde also, because we have related it to one of the popular beer styles in Belgium. So especially here, this is a good one. Of the newer ones, I think the Imperial Stout will do good.
Yeah.
And as always, the cherry ale. It's more expensive, but because you start brewing and then you want your family to taste it, and then they like, don't you have a cherry beer? Oh no, but they also have a can for cherry. Next time I'm gonna make the cherry or the raspberry version.
For me, if you're going for a Brewferm beer kit, there's two things to keep in the front of your mind: cleanliness and temperature control. So to get a really successful brew with this is so simple. It's less than an hour. You rehydrate the condensed liquid malt extract, and you add an enhancer, you mix it well, and then you sprinkle the yeast on top. So when I say, cleanliness, I mean sterile equipment, paying attention to making sure everything's clean, and then temperature control. The olden days of fermenting in your hot press or in your garage, obviously we've now learned a lot about fermentation as time's went on. if you can have a stable temperature at 18 to 20 degrees, you will have a much more successful brew than you will having it somewhere where there isn't good temperature control. So we have the full range on the Get a Brewed website, and we have a video showing how to brew one of these kits as well. You can check it out in the link below. So Wim, thanks for introducing us to Brewferm. Wim has actually made some of the recipes for these kits, but you can't remember which ones. No, all joking aside, they're great quality Belgian beer kits, and thanks for your time, Wim. Until next time, happy brewing.
You're welcome.